Hey everyone, I'm Vidusha and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some study tips for new session. Some of us are giving our final exams right now and some have already given, and we all are going in our new classes soon. We will begin with our new chapter. I'll be sharing with you some study tips which I found effective for our new session. Tip number 1. Forget your past. Forget what marks you earned in your previous class or what mistakes you did. Start a new chapter with full focus and concentration on your goals and try to do not repeat your mistakes. Tip number 2. Plan your day one night before. Make your to-do list one night before what you have to study the next day. This will make your study effective and better. Tip number 3. Pay attention in class. Pay attention in class when your teacher is teaching and note all the important points so that you can understand the topic very well. It is very important to pay attention during your lectures and understand the topic. Tip number 4. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice what you have learned today and practice it again and again until it becomes permanent in your mind. That's all. These are the tips I wanted to share with you, and all the best for your new session. Meet you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe.